More issues raised in the RJ Arglina Town Hall meeting on Tuesday. One business operator believes the General Manager of the Urban Development Corporation's responses on whether the plan would take away the green space is conflicting. TVJ's Anthony Lugg has our story.
The Urban Development Corporation's vision for the National Heroes Park. It includes a new parliament building, government ministries, and other structures. Residents in neighboring communities have questioned, among other things, why the location was chosen. And at the RJ Arglina Group's town hall meeting, General Manager at UDC Dr. Damian Graham responded to whether the plan would take away the green space.
There is no difference between where the parliament is going and the fact that the rest of the space will remain green.
I have no idea what that means.
We are going to be out of the 26 football fields that is there, one will be used for the parliament, and all of the surrounding space is to remain green. That is the design brief. So you have 25 more football fields of public space, public park, and green space.
Raquel Walker was a member of the audience at the town hall meeting, but did not get to ask a question.
Now my point is, if whenever Parliament opened down Duke Street, you can't even stay. I don't even know how much miles away you have to stay, because if the Parliament is right there, you have to stay like way up the road. You can neither see who coming in or coming out. So how is it that you are going to build a football field and place where people are going to have activity over there, and you can't go near Parliament when it opens? So how is it that you're going to be able to go on the field and play when the Parliament is built there?
She operates a business at Heroes Circle and says though Dr. Graham sought to address some questions, things are still unclear.
To be honest with you, everybody off edge right now. Everybody, both the people them that live over by Almantown side and the ones that located over this side, which is us, the vendors out here. We are uncertain, we are on edge, because we don't know what are the plans for us later on down.
Despite those and other concerns, at least one church in the community of Almantown believe they could benefit significantly from the development of the National Heroes Park.
Marvin Lemard is the pastor for the Assemblies of the Firstborn Church.
The land space where we are at right now, we have utilized that to the best of our ability, but the area, we do not have a recreation area. A community center is lacking, and the church wants to play a part in that integral move with the community. So if we have land space, more land space, we could utilize that.
37 teams have registered to participate in the design concept of the project. So as the country awaits word on the UDC's next move.
I'm looking forward what was said in the meeting to come forth.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.